On the 20th of May 325, the First Council of Nicaea convened and brought together bishops from across the early Christian world. Welcome to HistoryPod. The council was called by the Roman Emperor Constantine I, who sought to promote unity within Christianity as part of a broader effort to stabilise his empire. Divisions had emerged within early Christian communities, particularly concerning the nature of Christ. A central issue was the spread of Arianism that believed the Son in the Trinity was distinct from and subordinate to the Father. This threatened not only theological coherence, but also the political objective of religious unity within the empire, which Constantine had recently begun to support following the Edict of Milan in 313. Contemporary accounts suggest that several hundred bishops attended the council from regions including Asia Minor, the Eastern Mediterranean, and parts of the Latin West. The emperor himself participated in a supervisory capacity, although he didn't dictate the theological conclusions. The council's most significant outcome was the formulation of the Nicene Creed, which affirmed that the Son was of the same substance as the Father, rejecting the central claims associated with Arianism. The council also addressed other matters, including the calculation of the date of Easter and the establishment of certain administrative practices within the Church. While the Council of Nicaea established a framework for orthodox doctrine, disputes over Arianism continued for decades. Nevertheless, the council set a precedent for future ecumenical councils and contributed to the development of a more unified institutional structure within religious affairs.